Good afternoon, everyone. In the previous class, we had discussed interest on capital and interest on drawings. Any doubts up to there?
No, sir.
Okay. Is this screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Interest on drawings, we had discussed simple method and also product method yesterday.
Product method.
Okay. Now let's do another illustration. Write down this question. Drawings are April 1, June 1, August 1, October 1, December 1, and February 1. Every time the amount of drawings is 2000. Make this table. Made? Okay. Now let's solve it. First drawing is on April 1. So months remaining 12. And 2000 into 12, 24,000. June 1. Months remaining 10. And 2000 into 10, 20,000. Next drawing is on August 1. Months remaining 8. 2000 into 8, 16,000. Then next drawing is on October 1. Months remaining 6. 2000 into 6, 12,000. Next drawing is on December 1. Months remaining 4. 2000 into 4 equals 8,000. Last drawing is on February 1. Months remaining 2. 2000 into 2 equals 4000. यहां तक लिख लो पहले. Now find out the total of product column. 24 plus 20, 44. Then 16, 60,000. Then 12 plus 8, 20. How much? 80,000 plus 4,000, 84,000. So total is 84,000. Now let's put these values in the formula. Interest on drawings equals 84,000 into 15 by 100 into 1 by 12, and the value we get is rupees 1050. That is the amount of interest on drawings. Now in this illustration, we noticed that we are repeatedly multiplying same amount 2000 with months remaining. So if the amount of drawings is same repeatedly, then we can further simplify our calculations. Even this monthly amount we will take out of the formula, out of the brackets, and write it in the common portion. So now our simplified formula in this case, formula whenever same amount is drawn repeatedly, the formula becomes interest on drawings equals monthly amount into ROI upon 100 into ब्रैकेट के अंदर अब सिर्फ मंथ्स रिमेनिंग रह गया, समेशन m. सो सिर्फ उसका सम करना है, समेशन ऑफ मंथ्स रिमेनिंग अपॉन 12. Now let's do this illustration once again. Same data using this formula. ये क्वेश्चन लिख लो और टेबल बना लो पहले. रिटर्न ओके. अब हमें सिर्फ मंथ्स रिमेनिंग निकालना है. लास्ट कॉलम सिर्फ हमारा मंथ्स रिमेनिंग है. प्रोडक्ट वाले कॉलम की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है इस फॉर्मूले में. April 1 months remaining 12, June 1 months remaining 10, August 1 months remaining 8, October 1 months remaining 6, December 1 months remaining 4 and February 1 months remaining 2. अब months remaining का हमें सम करना है. 12 plus 10 22 plus 8 30 plus 6 36 plus 4 40 plus 2 42. So summation of months remaining is 42. Now let's put values in the formula. Monthly amount is 2000. So 2000 into 15 by 100 into summation m by 12, 42 by 12. And again we get the same amount, rupees 1050. So the formula is verified. When same amount is drawn repeatedly at uniform intervals, same amount drawn repeatedly तो हमने डिस्कस किया था इन दोनों में, लेकिन अब क्या चीज ऐड हो गई है? at uniform intervals. Calculations can be further simplified. How? Let us see. Now in this previous illustration, if we look carefully, the gap between the drawings is also uniform. After April 1, June 1, gap of 2 months. Then after June 1, August 1, gap of 2 months. So similarly, in each of the drawings, previous and next drawings, there is a gap of 2 months. So there is uniform gap between the drawings. So interest on drawing is equal to 2000 into 15 by 100 into 42 by 12, which we just did. 42 by 12 we can simplify by dividing numerator denominator both by 6. We get 2000 into 15 by 100 into 7 by 2. 6 sevens are 42, 6 twos are 12. So 7 by 2 simplify okay aa gaya. Again we get the same answer 1050. Now this figure of 7 by 2 can be obtained in another way. What is that another way? If you look carefully, what was the month's remaining value after first drawings? 12. And months remaining after last drawings? 2. So 12 plus 2 divided by 2. Months remaining after first drawings, that is 12, plus months remaining after last drawings, that is 2. तो दोनों को ऐड करके we get 14 upon 2. 14 by 2 into number of drawings upon 12. Number of drawings कितनी है? 6. So into 6 by 12. So we get 12 plus 2 by 2 into 6 by 12. 12 plus 2 by 2 is 14 by 2 into 6 by 12. 6 by 12 1 by 2 हो जाएगा. And again the value will reduce to 7 by 2. तो ये 7 by 2 हमारे पास इस फॉर्मूले से डायरेक्टली आ सकता है. We do not need to to add each month's remaining. सिर्फ फर्स्ट वाले मंथ्स रिमेनिंग को लो, लास्ट वाले मंथ्स रिमेनिंग को लो, दोनों को ऐड करके अपॉन 2 कर दो एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाय नंबर ऑफ ड्रॉइंग्स अपॉन 12. The simplified formula in such a case can thus be interest on drawings equals monthly amount into rate of interest upon 100 into MF plus ML. What is MF? MF is months remaining after first drawings. What is ML? Months remaining after last drawings. So MF plus ML upon 2, ये जो हमने किया 12 plus 2 by 2, ठीक है, into number of drawings upon 12. This formula is called average period formula. And this period MF plus ML by 2, this is called average period. Right up to here, then we will discuss further. Written? Okay. Now let's take the example of this same illustration which we have just done. The formula becomes interest on drawings equals monthly amount is 2000 into 15 upon 100. MF plus ML by 2 is 12 plus 2 by 2. Number of drawings 6, so into 6 by 12. So directly, without even making this table, adding all the months remaining, we can find out the interest on drawings. And the value we get is again same, 1050. Or there can be another formula, total TA. TA is total annual drawings. Total annual drawings upon ROI by 100 into MF plus ML by 2 into 1 by 12. Now, if you see carefully, if we move in this previous formula, if we move this 6 into 6 from here to the beginning, 2000 into 6 kar dein. So 2000 is the monthly amount drawn into 6 times. So 12,000 ho gayi total annual drawings, TA. और 6 वहां से move कर दिया. So now here the value remains 1 by 12. That is how this formula is derived. Sometimes in the question you may be given monthly amount of drawing. You can use this formula. Sometimes in the question you may be given total annual drawings. Suppose the question says partner drew total rupees 12,000 equally in gaps of 2 months each, beginning of every month, every alternate month. So then you can use this formula, which uses total annual drawings. So total annual drawings into ROI by 100 into MF plus ML by 2, or we can say average period, into 1 by 12. Again, we can verify this formula by putting the values of this illustration. Interest on drawings equals annual drawings kitni hai? 2000 into 6 times 12,000 into 15 by 100 into 12 plus 2 by 2 into 1 by 12. Calculate karo kitna aata hai? Again, we get the same amount, rupees 1050. Clear? Now, let's derive some formulae to calculate interest on drawings on the basis of the average period formula that we have just discussed. in these formulae, we'll be using these short forms. MA means monthly amount, QA means quarterly amount, TA means total annual amount drawn. First situation is fixed drawings at the beginning of every month. Every month means all the 12 months. So months remaining after first drawing. First drawing will be on 1st April. Months remaining 12. Months remaining after last drawing, 1st March. Months remaining 1. So average period is 12 plus 1 by 2. That is 13 by 2. So the formula becomes monthly amount into ROI by 100 into 13 by 2. Into number of drawings by 12. Number of drawings is 12. So 12 upon 12 is 1. So no need to write that. So simplified formula is MA monthly amount into ROI by 100 into 13 by 2. Now if we convert it in terms of annual drawings, the formula becomes total annual drawings upon ROI by 100 into 13 by 2 into 1 by 12. लिखते जाओ साथ साथ. Now second situation, fixed drawings in the middle of every month. That means first drawing will be on April 15th. So months remaining 11.5. Last drawing will be on 15th or 16th March. So months remaining 0.5, half a month. 11.5 after first month, first drawing, and 0.5 after last drawing. So average period is 11.5 plus 0.5 upon 2. That is 12 upon 2. 12 upon 2 is 6. So the formula becomes monthly amount into ROI by 100 into 6. Again, in all these cases, we do not need to do into number of drawings by 12 because amount is being drawn every month. So 12 upon 12 will be 1 only. In terms of total annual amount, the formula will become total annual drawings into ROI by 100 into 1 by 2. Into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 कैसे आया? Into 6 into 1 by 12. तो 6 से 12 कट जाएगा. We'll get into 1 by 2. Next situation is, लिखते जाओ ये सारा साथ साथ, fixed drawings at the end of every month. End of every month. So first drawing is on April 30th, months remaining 11. Last drawing is on March 31st, months remaining 0. So 11 plus 0 by 2, that is 11 by 2. The formula becomes MA into ROI by 100 into 11 by 2. In terms of total annual drawings, total amount into ROI by 100 into 11 by 24. 11 by 2 into 1 by 12 becomes 11 by 24. Then next situation is fixed drawings at the beginning of every quarter. Quarter means period of 3 months. 1/4 part of an year. So fixed drawings at the beginning of every quarter. मतलब 3 months के gap में अब drawings होंगी. First drawing 1st April. Months remaining 12. Last drawings. अब इसमें लास्ट ड्राइंग सेकेंड ड्राइंग कब होगी? अगर बिगिनिंग ऑफ एवरी क्वार्टर है, फर्स्ट ड्राइंग विल बी 1st April, नेक्स्ट विल बी 1st July आफ्टर 3 months, देन नेक्स्ट वन विल बी 1st October आफ्टर अनदर 3 months, Then after another 3 months, next will be 1st January. This will be the last drawings. January, February, March is the last quarter. So months remaining after first drawing 12. Last drawing 1st January, months remaining 3. So average period 12 plus 3 by 2. 15 by 2. But over here, we will have to consider into number of drawings upon 12 also, because the drawings is not being done every month. So 15 by 2 into 4 by 12. इसको हम simplify करें तो we will get 5 upon 2. So the formula becomes quarterly amount, not monthly amount now. Quarterly amount into ROI by 100 into 5 by 2. Okay, 15 fours are 60 and 60 by 12 is 5. So 5 by 2. In terms of total annual drawings, the formula becomes total annual drawings into ROI by 100 into 15 by 24. 15 by 2 into 1 by 12. 15 by 24. Next situation is fixed drawings in the middle of every quarter. 3 months का quarter होता है तो उसका middle होगा 1.5 month के बाद. So first drawings will be when? Quarter beginning from 1st April, 1.5 month, 15th or 16th of May. So जो 15th May को drawings हुई, now months remaining, how many months are remaining? 10.5. Last drawing कब होगी? February 15, months remaining 1.5. So 10.5 plus 1.5 is 12. 12 upon 2. So 12 upon 2 into number of drawings 4 upon 12. Simplify होकर ही आ जाएगा 2. ठीक है, 12 से 12 कट गया, 2 2s are 4. So formula becomes quarterly amount into ROI by 100 into 2. And if we begin with the total annual amount, total annual drawings into ROI by 100 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 कैसे आया? 12 by 2 into 1 by 12. 1 by 2. Next situation is fixed drawings at the end of every quarter. End of every quarter means end of every 3 months. So first quarter will end on 30th June. Months remaining 9. Last quarter will end on 31st March. Months remaining 0. So average period 9 plus 0 upon 2. 9 upon 2. Into 4 by 12. Because number of drawings is 4. So this gets simplified to 3 by 2. Okay? 2 2s are 4. Then 9 2s are 18. 18 upon 12 simplified 3 upon 2. If we begin with the total annual drawings into ROI by 100 into 9 by 24. 9 by 2 into 1 by 12. 9 by 24. Clear? Right up to here first.
Yes, sir.
क्लियर है ये सारे फॉर्मूले?
Yes, sir.
अब ये लिखो क्वेश्चन इलस्ट्रेशन 8. Calculate interest on drawings at 10% per annum in the following cases. First case, a partner drew rupees 2000 at the end of every month first 8 months and 3000 at the end of every month remaining 4 months. और सेकंड केस है, अ पार्टनर ड्यू ₹2000 एंड ₹3000 एट द एंड ऑफ एवरी ऑल्टरनेट मंथ, मतलब अप्रैल एंड में 2000, मई एंड में 3000, जून एंड में 2000, जुलाई एंड में 3000, लाइक दिस। लिख लो, ये क्वेश्चन लिख लो।
Yes, sir.
अब मुझे बताओ फर्स्ट केस को कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे, क्या फॉर्मूला बनेगा?
सर पहले तो 8 मंथ्स का निकालेंगे, 2000 into 8 total
हम्म।
drawings
हम्म।
into rate of interest 10/100
हम्म।
into number of months आएगा, फर्स्ट के बाद 8 मंथ्स रिमेनिंग होंगे और लास्ट के बाद 4 मंथ्स
ओके,
by 2।
लेकिन इन दोनों का हमें अलग अलग निकालना पड़ेगा। फर्स्ट 8 मंथ्स का अलग निकालना पड़ेगा क्योंकि अमाउंट डिफरेंट है, रिमेनिंग 4 मंथ्स का अलग निकालना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, सो लिखो इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग्स इक्वल्स मंथली अमाउंट इंटू ROI बाय 100 इंटू एवरेज पीरियड, मतलब MF अपॉन प्लस ML अपॉन 2 इंटू नंबर ऑफ ड्रॉइंग्स अपॉन 12। पहले ये फॉर्मूला लिख लो।
Yes, sir.
केस 1, 2000 इंटू 10 अपॉन 100। पहली ड्राइंग कब हुई?
At the end of 30th April.
30th अप्रैल। मंथ रिमेनिंग?
सर ईयर एंड होने तक का लेंगे पीरियड।
नहीं नहीं, हाँ पीरियड तो पूरा, अगर जो ड्राइंग्स अप्रैल एंड में हुई है उस पे इंटरेस्ट तो फिर अप्रैल 30 से 31 मार्च तक का लगना है ना।
यस सर।
ठीक है, तो 11 मंथ्स रिमेनिंग। लास्ट ड्राइंग कब हुई? 8 मंथ्स तक चला है ये, तो 8th मंथ कौन सा हुआ? नवंबर 30th।
यस सर।
मंथ्स रिमेनिंग
4 months।
4, so 11 plus 4 upon 2 एवरेज पीरियड। नंबर ऑफ ड्राइंग्स कितनी है?
8।
8 अपॉन 12 हो गया। ठीक है, ये समझ में आया ये कैसे बना फॉर्मूला?
यस सर।
सो 2000 इंटू 10 बाय 100 इंटू 11 प्लस 4 बाय 2 इंटू 8 बाय 12। 2000 का 10% हो गया 200। ठीक है, ये आ गया एवरेज पीरियड 15 बाय 2 इंटू 8 बाय 12। अब इसे सॉल्व कर लो, कितना आया?
टोटल 1000।
1000 हो गया, ये पहले 8 मंथ्स की ड्राइंग का। अब 3000 वाले का निकालते हैं। 3000 इंटू 10 बाय 100। पहली ड्राइंग कब हुई?
December 31।
दिसंबर 31। मंथ्स रिमेनिंग
3 months।
और लास्ट ड्राइंग कब हुई?
31st March।
मंथ्स रिमेनिंग
0।
सो 3 प्लस 0 अपॉन 2। नंबर ऑफ ड्राइंग्स कितनी है?
4।
सो इंटू 4 बाय 12। 3000 इंटू 10 बाय 100 इंटू 3 प्लस 0 बाय 2 इंटू 4 बाय 12। 3000 का
Yes, sir।
10% हो गया 300 इंटू 3 बाय 2 इंटू 4 बाय 12। कितना हुआ?
150।
150। तो इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स टोटल कितना हो गया? 1000 प्लस 150 इक्वल्स ₹1150।
Yes, sir।
नाउ केस 2, 2000 वाला लेते हैं पहले। 2000 वाली पहली ड्राइंग कब हुई?
30th April।
30th अप्रैल। मंथ्स रिमेनिंग
11।
और लास्ट ड्राइंग कब हुई? 2000 वाली।
ऑल्टरनेट
अप्रैल के बाद जून, फिर जुलाई छोड़ के अगस्त, फिर सितंबर छोड़ के अक्टूबर, नवंबर छोड़ के दिसंबर, जनवरी छोड़ के फरवरी, फेब एंड में। तो
Yes, sir.
मंथ्स रिमेनिंग
1 month.
1 month, ठीक है। तो 2000 इंटू 10/100, पहले वाली ड्राइंग्स के बाद मंथ्स रिमेनिंग 11, लास्ट वाली के बाद 1, सो 11 प्लस 1/2। कितनी नंबर ऑफ ड्राइंग्स है?
6.
6, क्योंकि हर ऑल्टरनेट मंथ 2000 है, तो 6 महीने 2000 है, 6 महीने 3000 है, सो इंटू 6/12। 2000 का 10% हुआ 200, इंटू 12/2 एवरेज पीरियड, इंटू 6/12।
Yes, sir.
So the answer is
600.
600। अब निकालते हैं 3000 वाला। उसमें बताओ एवरेज पीरियड क्या आएगा? पहली ड्राइंग्स कब हुई?
सर अब ऑल्टरनेटिव मतलब 2000 वाले जिस मंथ में नहीं हुए उसमें 3000 हुए।
यस यस, अप्रैल एंड में 2000, मई एंड में 3000। तो पहली ड्राइंग हुई मई एंड में 3000 वाली। मंथ्स रिमेनिंग
10 months.
10। लास्ट ड्राइंग 3000 वाली होगी 31 मार्च को। मंथ्स रिमेनिंग
Yes, sir. 0.
0। तो ये बना 3000 इंटू 10/100 इंटू 10 प्लस 0/2 इंटू 6/12। 3000 का 10% 300 इंटू 10/2 इंटू 6/12।
Yes, sir. 750.
750। So interest on drawings equals 600 plus 750 equals rupees 1350.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Note लिखो, if date of drawings is not given, calculate interest on drawings for 6 months. अगर क्वेश्चन में हमें ड्राइंग्स की डेट नहीं दी हो तो हम एज्यूम करते हैं मिड ऑफ द ईयर हुई है और 6 मंथ्स का इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग निकालते हैं। दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट।
Yes, sir.
Another note, if rate of interest is given without per annum, charge interest without considering time factor. अगर इंटरेस्ट रेट के साथ पर एनम नहीं लिखा हो तो फिर टाइम फैक्टर को इग्नोर कर दो। कभी भी ड्राइंग्स हुई हो पूरे साल का इंटरेस्ट निकाल दो।
Okay, sir.
Now you will attempt questions 11 to 27 from the book.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt anywhere?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.